Let's talk about Castor Maritime and the price for Monday, and the sign that I see we might have a fighting chance if we at least saw this price for Castor Maritime for Monday. This is important, guys. Before we go in the video, like, comment, subscribe, and as always told you guys, no BS, no editing at my channel, straight to the information, straight to the chart. So let's get right to it. Here, as we predicted before, guys, when I told you guys that the price will go to $38, even we've been trending around the 55. When we broke the 45, I told you there's a big momentum heading down toward the 38. And guess what happened? The moment we got at the 38, we saw a late buying power for our shares for Castor Maritime, and we dipped until the 36, but we drove the price really fast, and we now above the 38, because now the 38 is like the hovering price, or the price that the smart money test before the drive the price even lower. So now I can see the resistance level is lowered for Castor Maritime, and the price that we're gonna test by Monday, if we don't overpass this level, we're gonna see the price going even lower for Castor Maritime. So here we can predict that the price we're gonna see maybe by Monday a bit of rejection area around the 41, guys. Around the 41 you have to put your notification just in case. Be ready for this price, because if we pass this price, we're gonna see the Castor Maritime exploding and test for the 0.45 again. We're gonna see a surge in buying momentum, because here from my volume indicator there's another interest for investors to buy Castor Maritime at those prices. That's we can see the volume picking up, and we saw a big buying pressure on the 36. And now the turning point will be again around the 41 here, because now we test an exponential average. We didn't have the enough volume to take us above this level, because we went from the 36. It's common sense, guys. When you go really low, you can overcome the other resistance that higher. So we have to take a bit time to consolidate above the 38 and never visit again below the 38 here, because this is really important. Whenever we go below the 38, we're gonna see big selling pressure, guys. So by Monday, if we just go below the 38 again and we see the 37, we're gonna see by the next week even the 33. Just note this. This is really important to hold, because the more we got this buying pressure, we saw the incentive for the investors, for insiders, that the price for Castor Maritime is really good and attractive. That's why the price went up. But by Monday, we need to hold above the 38. We need enough fuel to keep us above the support level and test the 41. Simple as that. And there's another big sign for explosion happening for Castor Maritime, only if the start align and have all our sign perfectly clear and support our strategy. Look with me, guys. We now on the verge of doing this shape of W shape, and we need this confirmation at this level around the 0.45. So this time by the 0.45, if we test it again and we have a whole closing candle above, there will be a big explosion happening. As you can see, our exponential average is coming down. The moment we go there, we're gonna see our exponential average coming around this resistant to 0.45. So this is the explosion area that's gonna happen again for Castor Maritime, and the explosion for Castor Maritime, if it come to tuition and our prediction will be clear that it will have a breakout this is the first indication sign of breakout if you have a closing candle above the 0.46. The second, the big indication, this time we have a customer team go to the to $1 maybe, even if we just saw the 0.61 and we have a closing candle above. This is a big explosion, guys. We're gonna see customer team go to even $1. So this is important. This is really gold, guys. This is, you have to note. And again, look with me what's happening. This is our descending line that we draw from past videos, and look what's happening. The moment that we have the candle closing here, guys, boom, look at the big picture. Let me put our like this. Look with me. It is perfect breakout from our descending line. If we have this clear indication here around the 0.62, you see, guys, perfect explosion. Perfect explosion will happen if we visited this area, and we're gonna see the price go really high for customer team. So note for this sign of explosion for customer team. Until now we're still struggling around this area, so have first indication for tests first for 0.45, but before we have the resistance here around 0.41, we need to hold the 0.38 in order never go to below the 0.33. Simple as that. Make your life simpler and your strategy simpler, and that's how you know that you doing your strategy is good and is working. If you make it complicated, it means you don't understand your strategy, and you have to make it simpler. It's not about complication. Make it complicated is mean sophisticated. No, simple is mean is good. Even in anything in life, in business plan, everything. If something is really easy understood even by baby, is mean you understand your strategy, and the strategy is good. So always perfect your strategy and try to make it simple as possible, as I show you here. And I'm really glad that you guys you told me this in a comment. That's my goal, to show you here to information that you can absorb and use. I'm not giving just information and passive video like a lot of YouTubers do. I'm trying to make it active, and I'm trying to make you think and use this information for yourself, so you can make more gain on your investment. That's why I'm here. I'm trying to make my hunters make money as I make money. This is perfect deal for me. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. Check my Patreon if you want in-depth analysis for your favorite stock, caution one-on-one, Discord channel, everything. You can check it on Patreon comment section below. Without further ado, hopefully have a nice weekend, and see you in the next week.